Hi, this is Hetty again, and today I'm posting a video as a reminder of my cookbook. Mangia, it's good for you. How to cook like an Italian for the holidays. They have recipes. I have recipes in here, and I also have stories of my childhood growing up and memories that I have of my family. There are some very interesting and very comical stories in here. And when I flip through it, it just brings me back about 50 or 60 years to where I grew up in East Harlem. The stories are usually before a recipe. There's an index here, and some of these recipes over the years, I may have changed a little bit, but basically they're all the same. And I just want to show you a few things. My pizza rustica, here we go. Here's a story, a little story. And here's another little story that precedes a recipe. Now, the link to purchase this book is below this video, but it's also below every cooking video that I post. I have my links, I have my channel. My daughter is working on a new website for me called NANNYSITALIANKITCHEN.com. It's not completely finished, but she's still working on it. And it has a blog, it has my YouTube channel, it has all the links that you'll need. So I just wanted to remind you, if you want to have a keepsake, Mangia, it's good for you.